Today I'll be unboxing these Powerpuff Girls Crybaby figurines. So these are basically figurines, and there was another collection by Crybaby, which was like a plushie. It was a collaboration with Powerpuff Girls, but this one is like vinyl figurine. And for the longest time, I was not a fan of Crybaby. I don't know how people liked it, but lately I have started to like the Crybaby figurines. So that's the reason why I thought this would be the collection to start your Crybaby collection with, because it's like a figurine and I wanted to see how they look in person. This collection looked rather beautiful online. Like when I searched for it, I thought this collection was very adorable and cute. So yeah, let's just unbox it and see how this collection is. And yeah, let's move on with the video. Today I'll be unboxing the Pop Mart Powerpuff Girls collection with Crybaby, and you can see the packaging is really cute. It has like the very nice shiny thing on it. And then again, so this one, you can see here it's ripped. This one is actually, I know what's inside. The seller gave me a discount in this, so that's the reason I got it. I won't be telling you what is there in it, but I know what is there in it, which figurine is there. So she wanted to sell it out, and she told me what's inside the package. Like the main package is not opened up, but she saw the card and she wanted to give this away. So yeah, that's the reason she was selling this one out. So yeah, so these are the figurines which you will be getting in this. Total 12 figurine and one is secret. So the ratio of secret is 1 out of 144 bucks and 1 out of 12 bucks is the regular. So the ones which I want to get is this Blossom, or this one, all the Blossoms and Bubbles. I'm not a fan of Buttercup or Mare or Mojo Jojo, but I have heard that Mojo Jojo is like the heaviest of all the Crybaby boxes. And yeah, so let's just open this one, and I'll open this one later. So this was the price with from the store or the reseller, you can say, from where I got this. So let's just open it, and I really like how they've written even the tough one cries. It's very beautiful, and the way the Crybaby is written here, even the boxes are really cute. So I'll be cutting this out and sticking it on my wall because this looks really cute, this one. So let's just open it and see what I got. So before opening it, I want to shake it. So yeah, so it's not that heavy, but it's heavy. It's shaking well. It feels heavy, but it's shaking well. So let's see what we have here. So I don't want to see the accessories because that will like destroy the purpose of a blind box. I don't know what it feels like, but I hope it's not mad. It feels like mad. I'm not sure. Let's just open it up. See what I have. Oh no, I wanted a blossom or a bubble, but it's okay. I got a mare, and yeah, I didn't want that. So yeah, 2 male member. Was not expecting it. Let's see what accessories they've given. So this is the man, and that's his phone. So even I thought that it's a mare because it felt like a mare because the hat, I could feel his hat. And yeah, that's the mare. I don't know why they made mare in this series because no one would like to have a mare. So I don't know how to like place it. This one goes here because he used to call Powerpuff Girls. So yeah, I think it will go around this part. I finally managed to get his phone up, but I really like the detail they have given. This one looks exactly like Powerpuff Girl, and this wire thing, this looks exactly like the wire of a phone. So yeah, so I got the mare. I was thinking of any of the Powerpuff Girls, but yeah, it's the worst. I just don't like this one. But nevertheless, let's see what can be done about this. So yeah, the first one is the mare, and the details in this is really nice. I like that the droplet is shiny and the whole figurine is sort of matte. It's very vibrant in person. If you look at it, it's a very nice figurine, and the details look very immaculate. So yeah, if you like this collection, I think you should get this one. So this is the card, and it's holographic, and it says the Med 09. And that's where I've pasted. So that's the Med and Crybaby. So let's just open this one. This one is like doesn't shake well because it's opened up, and I actually know what's inside. So I'll show you what's inside. It's very badly ripped away. So the package is not opened up. I'll show you what this one has. So, yeah. Let's just open it up and tell you what I have. So this is the professor. He looks very cute and adorable, and because I heard someone say that the professor looks adorable, that's the reason why I got it from the seller. And she didn't want to keep this figurine, so I got it at a discounted price. And yeah, he looks really adorable, and I really like the Crybaby figurine when they have that like pure blue color rather than white or any other color. This actually looks like water, like yeah. So they have like matte and shiny finish, as you can see. Like the shoes are like shiny glossy finish, and the overall figurine is matte. And I really like the potion bottle it has, and the little details on her coat and his chemical X. And yeah, he looks really cute and adorable. I must say, he looks exactly like the professor shown on television, like the Crybaby version of that. And chemical X you can see here, and yeah, nothing else. But yeah, I like the little details on like the coat button and the tie, and I really like the potion bottle head there. You can see it's acrylic, clear acrylic, and those shiny tear bubbles. Crybaby figurines are actually starting to look cute. And yeah, usually previously I'd never found Crybaby to be cute, but this collection made me buy Crybaby. So let's see what I have here with me. This is the card, Crybaby X Pop, so the professor. And this is how the figurine would be looking like. There must be an accessory like this one. So I got this one, this ocean bottle, and the stand. So this is the ocean bottle. It won't be attached to the figurine, but you can keep it beside Professor. So this is marked X as in chemical X. This will go around here. So let's just attach. So this is how it will go. Chemical X and Professor. That is how I'll be keeping this on his stand, because that way it will stay, and if I move it around it might get lost. So yeah, I do like the Professor, but I never wanted a mare, so that was disappointing. And yeah, I like this one better, much better than the one I got. So yeah, this is really adorable and cute, and I think you should try Crybaby if you want. These two are the ones which I got from the Pop-Up Girls Crybaby collection, and I did want one Pop-Up Girls at least, but I got Mayor and Professor. Do let me know in the comment section below if you have received the male figurines in this collection, if you have received any, all the male figurines in this collection. And I really want to get Pop-Up Girls. Let's see. I don't think anyone would want to exchange a mare with a Pop-Up Girl, but yeah, this is it for my collection. I don't think I'll be going down the rabbit hole of getting my favorite figurine just for the sake of getting one. So yeah, that's it for the review. I think the figurines are really nice, and I love the detail they've given for the mare, like the shiny nose, and the rest of his face is matte. Yeah, I like the details in these two figurines, but I did not receive a Pop-Up Girl, and I'm really sad about that. So yeah, do let me know which one you got from this collection, or which Crybaby is your favorite. Do comment down below. If you like any other collection from Crybaby, I would like to try more Crybaby series. So yeah, that was my review for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.